I am back. So in the back in here, I hope you can see. Let me fix my bright a little bit. Hope you can see. So, like I say, I like very natural. I don't like to have something that is like everybody. I like to be very natural and unique. I think it's very important. And I think even in the hair business or in any business, if I had anything to share with anyone who wants to start something new in life, is it doesn't matter what somebody else is doing. It doesn't matter, my friend. They can have 100 millions whatever customer, and you're just starting and you don't have any. Be yourself. Be yourself. It takes time to do anything in life. You're not gonna start a business and think that you're going to make millions. You're lucky if you get anything. Actually, the reality of having a business and anything, if you were opening a business, it takes 5 years to get a business growing. It takes about 5 years to really learn everything that you need to do about business. So do not worry about what other people